Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Ernix brand coffee equipment cleaning powder, phosphate free. Before we get any further, get the instructions. It's actually, you just have to lift up the label right here, and there's the instructions right behind there. It tells you how you can use it for your espresso machines and also soaking other parts of your coffee makers, and how to use it in a commercial and non-commercial coffee maker right there. So it took me a while to figure that out, but that's where that information is. Company contact information is on here also. Now I'm going to use this to clean my coffee pot. I don't have an espresso machine, but I'm going to show you a trick that I experimented with to clean your pour over filters. Now this is full 17.6 ounce. And it's the world's first ever entirely green coffee equipment cleaner powder. Even the container is recycled material. All the ingredients are renewable, sustainable, natural, and phosphate free. This could be used for cleaning any type of coffee machine or coffee maker, and I'm going to demonstrate for pour over coffee filters. Now, what's unique about this is a blend of ingredients that are natural, but they're designed to really loosen and dissolve the oils and residue in heads and valves, coffee equipment also. So we're going to give this a try, and I'm going to show you what I did for my pour over filter, what I got working. So here you are in the morning. You've got your piping fresh boiled water, you got your pour over, and this is what happens. It sits here like a clogged toilet, and you've cleaned it, and you tap it. You spend 10-15 minutes trying to get it through. I get frustrated, then I just pour it through this other screen. So what's going on here? I've cleaned this thing. I boiled it in water. I put soap in it. I've tried everything. I put lemon juice, vinegar, baking soda. It doesn't seem to help. So I did some research on the internet, and I tried a couple different products. And I'm going to show you a secret of one product that I found and how to solve this. And then you'll just be doing maintenance. You'll be doing this technique about once every 2 months to every 3 months, depending on how often you use this. So this is very frustrating. We're going to show you a trick to solve this. So before I put the coffee equipment cleaning powder, I have a stainless steel pan, and I put 32 ounces of water. I measured. That's 4 cups. And I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of the powder. Before I do that, I'm going to show you something. This is another simple filter with bigger holes, and I'm going to drop this in there. And notice how it goes right to the bottom, as you'd expect. Watch what happens when I put this coffee filter in here. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's floating. It's going to the top. See how it's like a little buoy right there? What that's telling me is that it must be clogged, because it's not, the water's not going through those holes and equalizing, so it has some buoyancy there. Look at that. So we'll see what effect that the powder has. So here I'm going to measure 1 teaspoon. Just like that. Make sure it's level. And I'm going to stir it in there. And I'm going to add the coffee filter, or the coffee pour over filter. Now I'm going to boil this and get the water hot. Okay, so I'm letting it simmer on a relatively low temperature. And it's been going for about 8 minutes right now. And I'm just going to let it keep going. And as you can see, the water is turning kind of a pale coffee color, so that's a good sign. Okay, so it's been about a half hour. As you can see, the water is kind of mucky. Hopefully it's pulled some of those oils out. Now I'm going to rinse this, clean it with a little water, hot water, and we're going to test it and see if I can make coffee much quicker. Okay, so I got my water boiling, and I'm going to put the same amount of grinds, same amount of coffee grounds in the unit. See how it performs now. Okay, I haven't seen that flow in 8 months. You're seeing right there. So you could see that it's flowing right through. I mean, I noticed when I was cleaning this and pouring water through it that it was keeping up with my faucet. Wow, what a difference. I'm not even tapping it. It's flowing through. So you can see, and there's nothing clogging up. Look at that flow. I mean, I normally spend, I'm not exaggerating, 10 to 15 minutes in the morning to make this one large cup of coffee. And it's almost at the completion already. I mean, how fast was that done? So you can see how well they cleared out that coffee sediment on there. It just works really well. This is the only thing that worked. I've tried other methods like I mentioned. This method and that chemical, your next coffee equipment cleaning powder, is the only thing that solved this issue. So what's my overall opinion about the your next coffee equipment cleaning powder? I really like this product. My main use was for my pour over filters, and I've tried everything else, and this solved it beautifully with a very small amount of this powder. So I love this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.